Hello friends, now here is the step-by-step simplification of this math problem by using BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule says first we solve bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. O stand for order, we convert into multiplication, we solve roots and exponents. D stands for division, M stand for multiplication, A stand for addition, S stand for subtraction. Now according to this BODMAS sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. First step we solve brackets, calculate the subtraction inside the parentheses, and now the small brackets in this expression is 3.2 minus 1.2 and we'll get 2.0. 2.0 it means 2. According to this step, BODMAS requires solving the inner bracket first and which is small brackets. So now the current expression become 4.5 plus 2.5 and then multiply by 2. Move to next step, multiplication. Now multiply the numbers which is 2.5 and multiply by 2. According, we'll get 5. According to this step, multiplication which takes the priority over the addition, and now the current expression become 4.5 plus 5. Move to next step. Now addition. Perform addition. So 4.5 plus 5. This is the final operation which is left the remaining numbers, and after we'll get 9.5 which is the final result. So now according to this expression, the conclusions is by following the strict hierarchy of the BODMAS rule, we ensure the correct mathematical order, and skipping these priorities would lead an incorrect result, and the final simplified value of this expression is 9.5. And I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye bye.